Good morning, guys. Good afternoon, good evening, depends on where you are watching me from. In today's video, guys, we are going to look at the Twapia residential area. So, to my own observation, I've seen that the residential area, or the residential houses which are here in Twapia, they have got two types of residential houses, which is the old one and the new one. So for today, we are going to look at the old ones, old Twapia residential houses. And these houses, they seem like they are old enough. They can be, some of them, they can be for 40s, 80s, 50s, 60s, because the way they are looking, guys, you can tell to say, okay, houses, they were built a long time ago. So we are going to do this as we are going. Please do me a favor, like this video, share this video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the notification button for you to get all my latest videos, and you'll be notified every time I post a new video. To my own observation, when I look at this area called Old Twapia, start from here. This is the main road, and the houses starts from here. You see? So, and this area, it's more like it's on a hill. When you take a look at some of the houses which are here in Twapia, you are going to find that some of the houses, they are the old houses, and then some of them, this is when they are renovating, and some of them, this is when they are improving their life. But a lot of them in this old Twapia, they are those houses which are old houses, if you have observed this. So as you can see, this house behind me, they've just renovated it, but there are some of them which you're going to see that these houses, they are the old ones, and they are seen, they are seen. So this area is not far different from the old Mushiri here in NDOLA, Zambia. So this area seems to be the same. A lot of people, a lot of residential houses here, they've got small plots, and these plots, you find that they are 15 by 30 or 12 by 30, 10 by 30, so which means that it's a very small plot. So the demarcation of the roads, the demarcation of having a good yard, it's not that big. And a lot of places here in Zambia, like Mushiri Kansengo, Old Mushiri, Chipurukusu Senior, and some other places here in NDOLA, they've got these kinds of demarcations where they've got small yards. If you have observed that here in Twapia, in the community, you can see that there are no good roads. The roads which are here are those odd roads, and then there are no roads such that a car can pass, or maybe, let me say a car, because I don't see where a car can pass. All I can see is that there is some fancy sandy roads whereby a car cannot pass. So this is Twapia, guys. This is Twapia. This is the residential area here in NDOLA, Zambia, called Twapia. So you can see from behind, this is the road, and I'm heading to another road here. In case you might be wondering to say, is this the only Twapia that we are going to know in this video? No, this is not the only Twapia that you're going to see in my videos. You're going to see even the other Twapia. Now, the one thing that I do first when I visit the place, I need to showcase the market. The market is one of the important things in my vlogs. I need to see that market, and then I proceed to my other places. So tomorrow I'm going to upload a video. You're going to see the other Twapia. And there is another place which is so fancy in Twapia. They've got good houses. I'm not going to do that because I need some other days, or I need another day for me to go there and capture the same places. Because due to lack of time and due to lack of funds, you know, I arrived here for about, maybe that was 16 p.m. Now, for me to take some videos, of some certain places, it carried me until to 18 p.m. So I was rushing home. You know, my place is not near to this place. So, my own observation looking at this old Twapia is that it's in the rain season, water doesn't stay at one place. It's like these houses and these residential houses, they're like on top. You see, it's more like a hill where if the rain comes, it falls, and then in the rain season the water flows down to the other side. So there is no such problem like, okay, water is staying at one place or at a certain place, so water always comes out. And the only problem is that there are no drainages. You understand? There are no drainages, whereby, quite alright, it's more like a hill, but the water, they pass anywhere. They pass anywhere, maybe on the road. So upon passing on the road, they destroy the roads. And if the roads are destroyed, you find that it will be very difficult for a car to pass. These small cars cannot pass. Small cars like funny cargos here in Zambia, the common cars is funny cargo, uh, Toyota Ram. There is also Corollas. There is also Altezas. So many different cars. So these cars with the low diff, they seem to have a problem here, unless if there is those cars, big cars like Hilux. Hilux can pass anywhere, so those are the only cars that can pass. So if the area can have the drainages and some good drainages where water can pass in the rain season, it can be well organized and well good. You can see. So this is the old Twapia that you don't know. So this is Twapia that I've explored today, and the old Twapia. In my next video, I'm going to do the new Twapia, new houses that they've built. They've built new houses and other premises. So we are going to see the changes. Zambia is changing bit by bit, and a lot of things are changing bit by bit. So for you to see that change, unless we post this kind of content or we post this kind of videos, so that you see, to say, oh, this is Zambia, this is how things are in Zambia, or this is how we live in Zambia. So you see, this is the kind of different parts of the area here in NDOLA, Zambia, called Twapia, and this is old Twapia. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like the video, share and subscribe. I'm out.